Elon Musk. He became the world's first trillionaire, but nobody's talking about the journey that got him there. Don't worry, I got you. Born in South Africa, bullied every single day at school. At 12 years old, he taught himself to code. Sold his first video game for $500. At 17, he left South Africa and moved to America. Got into Stanford for a PhD. Dropped out after 2 days because he felt internet was going to change the world and he wanted to be the one changing it. Started his first company, Zip2, an online city guide for newspapers. Sold it for $307 million. Then, at 27, he built an online payment company called X.com, which later became PayPal. eBay bought it for $1.5 billion. He walked away with $176 million. At this point, most people would retire. But Elon, being Elon, started his third company, SpaceX. Everyone said private rockets were impossible. The first 3 launches failed. He was almost out of money. The 4th launch worked. Today, SpaceX is worth $2 trillion. Then comes the Gen Z's most hated car company, Tesla. The car industry said electric vehicles would never work. He proved every single one of them wrong. Tesla is now worth around $1.43 trillion. And finally, we have the most controversial company, Twitter. He bought Twitter for $44 billion and renamed it as X. All these companies are the reason he's a trillionaire today. Now comes the lesson. No matter whatever idea you come up with, the world is always there to tell you that it's impossible. But what you need to understand is you need to be delusional and crazy enough to believe in your idea. That even if God himself lands and says that's impossible, you need to believe that it's possible, and that's how it's made, and that's how Elon Musk made it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.